speaker. It's Abel Reynoso. He's talking from the Competent Communication Manual. His speech is number 5. Actually, he started again. He finished all his books and he started again with the basic communication books. The title of his speech, Before and After, the objective of his speech is inspiring your audience. The time for his speech is 5 to 7 minutes. He will be evaluated by that. Do you have his book?
No, but I have questions.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Please give me the next one.
Life is what happens to you while you're making plans. John Lennon's book. Before and after. Every one of us has a before and after in life. Every one of us. You are here tonight because you had it before, and now you're going to have an after. Some of you that are interested in joining Toastmasters, you will see what I'm talking about when I'm finished. How many of you have really improved your life since you've been with